how to build trust. The first thing that we need to do is put ourselves in the shoes of the customer and think about what are the questions that they normally ask before they trust you. The first question that customers have is that, do you even understand what my problem is? This is called empathy, right? You have to be able to put yourself in the shoes of your customer and really understand what is that burning problem. Do you have a solution to solve my problem, right? This is where your sales pitch comes in, right? Your sales pitch will cover saying what is your solution, how it works, how it will help them, all of that and more. The third question is, why are you best suited to solve this problem? And this is where your credentials come in. Like, what have you done yourself, right, in this space? What is your history? Why are you best suited to solve this problem for? Fourth, who else bought your solution? Right? People need social proof. That is the term for it. Like, they don't want to be the only people who are buying something. They want social proof. 5, what results did you achieve for the people? Now, this is where your testimonials bit come in. The more testimonials and results that you have, the easier it gets to sign up new people. And finally, the big question is, can I try your solution? Right? Can I try it? Like, is there a way for me to experience your solution and determine for myself, is this a good fit? I think that's the piece that really pushes decision making, right? It gets them over the edge. It makes them make that, that final buy call is when they actually try your solution. These are the questions that help people build trust with you. They will not necessarily ask you these questions, but you still have to give them these answers in different ways.